and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Jodie and this is
Karen.
And we're going to introduce you to a brand new launch. We have got the beautiful Hugs and Kisses oval nesting dies, and we've also got You're the Best oval nesting dies. These, I have to say, are an absolute beauty of a collection. They are gorgeous. Now, when we first look at them, you can see all the different possibilities in these. I'm going to turn the packaging round, and I'm going to bring them in really close so you can see the different ways that you can make these. You've got your outside edges, you've got all your inside edges, but then you've got your sentiments in there as well. So that one there is your Hugs and Kisses. This one here is You're the Best. And I have to say, the cards the girls have made are beautiful.
And don't they make a really quick card as well?
They do. They are beautiful dies.
And so, of course, those sentiments, they all go together with a collection. It's got the cookie jar as well that you've already done your video for, haven't you?
So this sentiment in the middle here will work inside the panels of the cookie jar. Okay, so if you've got the cookie jar, you can cross-pollinate them so that they all fit together.
Fab, isn't it?
Okay, so nice to have
a good idea.
A gift box and a card.
And a card to match.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
But I mean, just look at how beautiful they are. Now, whether you are matting and layering, it's on the glass mat, it doesn't want to stand. You can see that you've got all those different matte layers in there. I think the hardest thing is the colour combos.
Oh, look at that. That's
making up all the different colour combos, but the detail on these is spectacular. Fabulous. It really is. Now, when we go on and we start talking about the verso edges, verso means that we can actually keep it in our cardstock. So this one, I mean, look at that one. That's actually cut into the back of that card.
Isn't that lovely?
It's beautiful.
You can see there that
it's absolutely
fab.
It's so regal. I mean, I look at that and I think very much of my mum's old Wedgwood china.
Oh yes,
yeah,
beautiful colour blue there.
Blues in there, gorgeous.
There's a mirror card behind it as well. So
yes, really giving it that sheen,
giving it that bit of oomph.
Bit of oomph, and we love a bit of oomph, don't we?
We do like a little bit of oomph. But that one again, being cut into the back of the card, you see that bit there is being cut into the back of the card.
That is stunning.
And then everything has been decoupaged up. But of course, you could do an invertage if you wanted to do an invertage with them. So that is one die set. We've then got the second die set here, but all these can be cross-pollinated with each other. So you could be mixing and matching those centre dies, outside edges, your sentiments in there as well.
Beautiful.
Even the little panels that come in here, even the patterned ones could go on the middle there.
Yes, they could.
And you could be putting your own different sentiments in the collection. But you can see even from bright and bold colours to pastel colours.
I love that one. That one's really, it was, when it was on the shelf, you could see it.
Yeah, you can see.
Do you know what I mean?
See all the details.
It's beautiful.
But they are all large. What about going small? Because you've got all the different sizes in there, you can do your smaller cards as well. So from large cards to small cards to using your sentiments within your actual cookie jar, it really is a whole die set that you're going to get so much use out of.
It's a beautiful
So you
collection.
have got that one there, which is I can't see it from the back, is Hugs and Kisses. And you've also got Simply the Best. so You're the Best in there as well. And these will be launching very, very soon. And I can't wait to see what you make. So, Karen, what do they have to do?
Oh, you have to tag us in your makes. You have to follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. It is only 4, isn't it?
She's been practicing that as well.
Oh, I didn't know I was doing that. And of course, on YouTube, don't forget, hit that notification bell and you will never miss a video from us.
Absolutely. So from Tonic Studios, see you later.